Hey everybody, hope you can hear me. It's pretty windy here, but I've got my son Lennox here, and this is round 2 of this week for my one-on-one time with my kids. Last week was Willow and Ellery, and this week it's been Rayleigh last night, and tonight it's Lennox, and again we're just going to car camp. We're on the outside edges of Torrey, so Rayleigh's back with her grandparents in town, and we're just going to have a night of one-on-one time camping here, and having a campfire, making dinner, s'mores, sleeping in a tent under the stars, and enjoying the scenery out here, and playing in the rocks, and before we pick up Rayleigh in the morning. Anyways, it's been a fun day. We went on a nice drive today, drove on Boulder Mountain a little bit, and down into a place called Sheets Draw, and followed a good section that I hiked a couple weeks ago on the road, and then went 4x4 four-wheel driving with the 4Runner back here, up and over into South Draw in the Capitol Reef National Park, up over Pleasant Creek and through Fruita and back up into town here. So that was a long drive, huh? Bumpy, huh? Bumpy ride. So anyways, time to get set up here. We're gonna run out of daylight soon. Lennox is still hyper after being in the car all day. Oh, I'm gonna run around now. Check out this sunset.
Can I get up this way?
Well, we got camp set up, and we enjoyed a beautiful sunset right after it was all set up, and now we're just kicking back by the fire, waiting to get some coals so we can cook our dinner tonight, which is going to be what, Lennox? What are we having for dinner?
Pizza sandwiches.
Yeah, we're gonna use the pudgy pie iron again to make some pizza pie things, some little pizza presses, whatever they're called. So,
Whoa!
Should be fun. Here's what dinner's gonna look like. We've got some pizza crusts here. We're gonna try and shape those to fit the pie iron, and then mozzarella cheese, got pizza sauce, and Lennox requested ham and pineapple, which I'm totally okay with. So here we go. Alright, we think it's done. Grab a plate. And we'll just slide it off here. Oop. Guess it's still coming apart. Didn't press together, but it's definitely melted.
Brown stuff off.
Yep.
Okay,
That's just melted cheese. Here's my pizza. Pizza panini, I might as well call it.
Funny.
Time for Lennox. What you got? Let me see. Ooh, pineapple, huh?
I think yours is ready.
Yeah.
It matches! Yippee!
Oh, skip me. Your turn.
That's
Yeah, that's right. That's a match. But you gotta get 3.
So You can't take it away from me.
Alright, we are all tucked in bed and ready to turn the lights out. See you in the morning. Alright, made it to Thursday, June 14th. Lennox and I had a nice sleep last night. Uneventful, except for a car that drove up close to camp and then drove back away. Other than that,
Ready?
yeah, we are packing up here and getting ready to head back up the road to pick up Rayleigh so we can go get some donuts for breakfast and start making our way back home. So it's been a fun trip with Lennox, camping out last night. We did that nice big drive together with his grandpa, my father-in-law yesterday, and also hiked up to the rock art up Pleasant Creek with him. So yeah. What do you have to say?
Dad found a chipmunk and I found a lizard.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been seeing chipmunks and lizards.